Hey, how's it going, everybody? So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you, not really a tutorial or anything like that, but it's going to be a furniture upgrade. Now, before I continue, I just want to say, you guys are going to laugh at me. It was a stupid decision. Even when I did it, I was just like, that's fine. It's going to be okay. Nothing bad's going to happen. But the more that I looked at it, I was like, you know what? Yeah, you're gonna have to secure this somewhere a little bit better than what I have right now. So nonetheless, let me go right ahead and show you what I'm talking about. So of course, here is my setup, and as you can see, I have my tower right here. But what is this? What is underneath this tower? So I have this foldable table underneath it, and I mean, this system is, it cost me a pretty penny. And I mean, at the time, I got the desk, and I didn't want to put the tower on top of the desk, so I was like, I want to put it somewhere, in the side of it, but I didn't want to spend the money, so I was like, I got this table, let's go right ahead and just set it up. And I mean, this is just horrible. I mean, look at this. I mean, yeah, one of these legs breaks and there goes my tower. So to alleviate this, I basically went to Walmart and I purchased a filing cabinet. So this is a 3-drawer filing cabinet. So yeah, let me go right ahead and get this unboxed, and then this will be no more. Okay, so there it is. We have this filing cabinet. So let's see if where are the handles? There we go. The handles right here. Oh, come on. Oh, with it. Yeah, so there we go. Got the handles, we got the screws. So I'm gonna go right ahead and just get this put together. Okay, so there we go. So we have it put together. There we go. Actually, one of the things that I just realized is that where in the world is the key? ¿Dónde está la llave? Yeah, no kidding. Where's the key? Well, that's some minutia. Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh, come on. Anyways, yeah, there they are. I was like, really? It's like they didn't ship it with any keys, but cool. Awesome deal. Well, I'll go ahead and mess around with that later on. Well, let's go ahead and do the switch. Oh no, don't turn on. Goodbye, table. You did your job, but you're tired. Okay, So this is the final product right there. Lot more sturdy. I mean, compared to that poor table. But it was a good investment. I mean, it came out to, I believe it was like a little bit over $50 at Walmart. So this is good. And you see that the legs, they're planted there, so that's good. I'm happy with this purchase. And of course I can actually be a little bit more organized now, because I just have papers all over the place sometimes, so I can actually get some folders and put some in some sort of organization in my life per se. But yeah, so this is just the inside. I mean, the material isn't that great. I mean, you know, but it is what it is for 50 bucks. So that's top one, of course. This middle one, and then the bottom one as well. Well, alrighty, everybody. Well, that's the end of this video. I know, just having it, I mean, in this little piece of shit. Well, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video, and like always, we'll see you in the next one.